If you learn to see the forex market this way I'm about to show you, then you're on your way to mastering how to rake in profit on a consistent basis. This particular strategy is what separates most confused beginner trader from the professional trader who dominates the market. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
This is exactly what I've been trying to say. This is the USD JPY chart and we're on the 15 minutes time frame. So like I said earlier in my previous video, that the market will always give you an obvious W pattern, okay, when it's about to make a push up, and then it would give you an obvious M pattern when it's about to make a push down. So this is what I mean. The market created this W here, and then that is a signal to letting you know that the market is about to rise. These are the three levels that the market gave, the three pushes I talked about. So I'm going to represent that with a rectangle. Now this is the peak, which is where you always get your W pattern. Then it gave us the first push, okay, it gave us the first push, and we had the second push, and then we had the third push. Guys, this is just very clear and simple for you to understand. Now notice something. Remember what I said in the previous video, that we had the 1350 EMA crossover indicating that this is the level 1, okay, while for the other one we had the 50-200 crossover indicating the level 2, while for the third one we had the 50-800 crossover indicating that we are currently in level 3, guys. So that's very simple. That's how the market behave all the time. So also we had this here. Now if you notice, we had a peak formation here. This is an obvious W pattern. It gave us 3 pushes upward. So I'm going to show you using rectangles. So we had this is the first push, and looking at the push, you're going to see a 1350 EMA crossover here, and then it gave us what, the second push. Looking at the chart, you're going to see 50-200 crossover here, indicating that this is level 2, and then the market gave us what we'll call the third push. Looking at it, you're going to see our 200-800 crossover here, telling you that this is our level 3. So guys, this is a very simple strategy and a very simple way you need to learn to look at the market, because this is going to help you understand where you are at and how you're supposed to take your trades. I'm going to come to that later, but I need you to understand this procedure and get to see how we interpret movements in the chart. I'm going to show you now that this also, like I said, happens on virtually all time frame. Now this is the boom 1000 charts. The market gave us an obvious M pattern because the market was about to go down. So this was the M the market formed. It formed an M and then it started trading downwards. So I'm going to use my rectangle to count the levels for you to understand. So this is the first push that was given. Now what happened? Take note of the fact that we had a 1350 EMA crossover here. That's the first push, indicating that we are in level 1. Then this is the second push that was given. What does that tell you? It indicates that we are in the second 200. We're in the second level because there's a crossover of EMA 50 crossing over EMA 200. Okay, so and finally this is our third level drop. Okay, so remember what I said. This is something that is very simple. If you keep going over and over to your chart, it's going to get clearer and clearer for you. Now look at the third level. What indicated that? We have our 50-800 crossover here, guys. This is very simple. It happens on all time frames. It happens on every single instrument. Now this is a buy setup. I'm going to show you. The market gave us what? A W. Can you see the W? And what happened? It started trading away from there. So I'm going to show you the pushes. So we had our first push upwards, which is indicated by the 1350 EMA crossover. Then we had a second push upwards, guys, indicated by the 50-200 crossover, EMA crossover. And then we had our third push upward, guys. So this is a concept that is very simple. You need to go back to your charts, open your charts, try to look at them and see the number of pushes that you get to see in your different time frames, in your different instruments. This is very easy. Now you might be wondering, what am I supposed to do with this knowledge? Very simple, guys, very simple. All you need to do is to go over to the chart. When you open your chart, you look at what we have, look at the different crossovers, wait for the price to move back to the EMAs and take your trade in that direction. Look for a trending market. Okay, when you see your trending market, you drop down to the preceding time frame and then you count your levels. Once you see your obvious M, then you know that the market is about to drop. Okay, now when you see your obvious W, then you know the market is about to rise. Okay, this is very, very simple, guys. And in more videos, I'm going to be explaining better, giving you more examples and all of that, so this concept gets to sink deeply into you.
If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time we post new content on this channel. And please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I'll see you. Thank you.